Good everyone, you're watching Creative Fixes. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix Zoom is disabled in Microsoft Word. Zoom is usually disabled in Microsoft Word because the document is set to side page movement or read mode restricting the zoom slider. Now, there are a couple of ways to fix the problem. Now, the first step to resolve this issue is to go ahead and switch to vertical view. In the ribbon, you can go to the View tab, and in the Page Movement section, ensure vertical is selected instead of side to side. So this should allow you to enable the zoom in your Word document. Now the second step, what you could try is you can go ahead and disable the read mode. If your document looks like a book, you may click on the view at the top left corner and then click on edit document to exit the read mode. Now the third step, what you could try is you can check for the document protection. If the zoom is grayed out completely, your document might be locked for editing. So you may go to the Review tab in the ribbon and then you may click on Restrict Editing. So it would be under Protect. Under Restrict Editing, you may go ahead and select Stop Protection in case if it is applicable. You may go ahead and uncheck those boxes and then apply the changes. And that should allow you to zoom in Microsoft Word. So this is how you can go ahead and fix zoom if the zoom is disabled in Microsoft Word. I hope this video was useful. In case if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.